A 6.7% boost is expected for Uniswap by July 10, according to CoinDataFlow. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. As of now, Uniswap has moved up 2.2% in 24 hours and is currently at $3.392. Let's go straight to the analysts' views. CoinDataFlow sees the asset moving to $3.62 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 6.7%. Uniswap might move down to $3.367 per 30 rates. That's about 0.7% lower than now. CoinCodex highlights it potentially dipping to $3.278, a fall of approximately 3.4%. A different analysis from Gov Capital Collector projects Uniswap could move downward to $3.196, a potential loss close to 5.8%. And in closing, Crypto Predictions targets $2.447 by July 10, down about 27.9%. This is the most profitable setup we've seen. Those were the 5 key projections. Let's keep watching. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. The predictions indicate movement in the range from a drop of 27.9% to a gain of 6.7%. Put simply, Crypto Predictions projects the highest return with 27.9% gain in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could generate between $7 and $279 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, 30 rates' forecast suggests the most probable outcome, with a 95.7% chance of success. From the 5 analysts' forecasts, I've outlined one combined consensus scenario. Consensus insights highlight Uniswap softening by approximately 6.2%. Okay, let's open up the details. Consensus calculations suggest a 6.2% price decrease by tomorrow. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 6.2%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $62 gained. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 58.9%. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. The direction called out by CoinDataFlow is toward higher levels. A stable path is projected by 30 rates. CoinCodex expects downward momentum to persist. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector expects a bearish continuation. Similarly, Crypto Predictions expects the chart to tilt downward. The consensus highlights downside potential, keeping Uniswap on a bearish track. So, 60% of projections indicate Uniswap may trade weaker during this horizon. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. Ultimately, the closing price printed $3.28. With this move, only 2 out of 5 were on the right side. 30 rates delivered the most accurate forecast. Time to sort through the results more carefully. 4 forecasts fit within the daily range. Speaking of ROI, multiple analysts posted gains, and CoinCodex stood out with 1%. Here's the overall results table, showing how each forecast held up. CoinCodex is shown with accuracy, 96.7% forecast probability, and 1% ROI. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Uniswap. At number 1 is Uniswap, leading all other coins with 6.2% in forecasted profitability. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while extended return comparisons are already available on my website. If this gave you a better picture of the market, show some support with a like and subscription. If you found that valuable, hit like and subscribe for tomorrow's forecast. Take care.